saisi.
People were shocked.
Moun sautait.
People were
Des
perplexed.
gens qui mettent dans la bouche.
Some people were appalled.
Le souverain sacrificateur du pays.
The high priest of the land,
L'équipe qui roule dans le pays.
the highest government person in the land, they called him to the court.
Mais monsieur paraît dans le tribunal.
He appeared to the courtroom,
Senti poupou.
smelled like dung, covered with dung,
Badé avec poupou.
and bathed in dung.
Josué entré
Joshua entered
dans le tribunal.
to the courtroom.
Maintenant,
So now,
moi-même avant,
you and I,
faut te poser des questions.
we'd have to ask this question.
Mais, comment monsieur paraît?
How did he,
Quand il parle avec poupou salo qui badé.
where did he come with this feces
Parce que
that he
poupou salo
bathed in?
représente péché.
Because those filthy
Plus
represent
tard,
sin.
il va dire ton iniquité.
Later on, it said, your iniquities were
Dada
lifted.
salo
Now,
représente péché.
They represent sin.
Le problème, c'est que la Bible a décrit Josué.
The Bible, when it described Joshua,
Il décrit Josué comme l'honnête qui doit.
it describes Joshua as
Il
an upright
décrit Josué
person. Describes
comme l'honnête qui
Joshua
a fait volonté, mon Dieu.
as someone who does the will of God.
Il décrit Josué comme un homme
The Bible describes Joshua as a man
qui agit selon ce qui est écrit.
who's doing everything that is written.
Comment un homme comme ça,
How could such
qui
a
aime
man
mon Dieu,
who loves
qui a
God,
servi mon
who
Dieu,
served God,
mais l'aime pas devant le
but
tribunal,
when he appeared to the courtroom,
il est tellement couvert avec iniquité.
he was so filled with iniquity
Monsieur paraît badé avec beaucoup.
that he dressed as filled with garments, filthy garments.
Qui péché yo te?
What sins were they?
Péché que te couvri, monsieur, yo.
The sins that covered him,
C'est pas péché par l'idée,
they were not his sins.
c'était péché peuple là.
They were the sins of the people.
Parce qu'il était souverain sacrificateur
Because he was the high priest
et il représentait le peuple.
and he represented the people.
Malgré monsieur t'a marché droit,
Although he was upright,
mais rat sale qui souligne,
but the filthy garments he was wearing,
extrêmement qui souligne,
the dung he was wearing,
représente extrêmement peuple là.
represents that of the people.
Parce que dans le temps ça,
Because in those days,
le peuple là pas cap servi bon Dieu avec fidélité.
the people were not serving God with faithfulness.
Malachie,
Malachi,
c'était un contemporain de Josué.
he was a contemporary of Joshua.
Dans le livre de Malachie,
In the book of Malachi,
l'Éternel te dit peuple
the
là,
Lord told the people,
je m'ai servi là.
the way you're serving me,
Des gens qui pas respecter foyer.
some people did not respect
Dans
their
le
household
Malachie,
in the days of
c'est ça que
Malachi.
Malachie parlait de divorce.
That's why Malachi talked about
Des gens
divorce.
qui pas respecter offrande.
Some people did not respect their
Malachie
offerings.
parlait de divorce.
Malachi talked about tithes and
Des
offerings.
gens qui pas respecter service yo offri dans le temple.
Some people did not respect the service that offered them to the Lord. Any kind of animal with negligence.
La Bible parlait de
The
ça.
Bible talked about that.
Toute loi que l'Éternel n'a pas respecté.
All the laws of the Lord they did not respect.
Donc, là, ils viennent présenter sacrifice à
When they
Malachie.
came, when they came to present those sacrifices in
Dans Malachie
Malachi,
chapitre, dans Malachie chapitre 2,
Malachi chapter 2,
l'Éternel te dit Israël,
The
le
Lord-
verset 3,
verse 3.
il te dit Israël, vieux sacrifice,
the Lord took the
soit
Israelites,
offrir mieux.
the evil sacrifice you're presenting to me,
Vieux sacrifice, soit offrir
the
mieux.
refuse that you're
Qui
offering,
pas de crainte de l'Éternel sur eux.
without the fear of the Lord in them.
On dit, l'Éternel te dit, ma prends sacrifice ça,
The
yo.
Lord says, I'm going to take those
Elle
sacrifices.
dit, je vous jeterai des excréments au visage.
I will spread
Les
refuse,
excréments
refuse,
des victimes que vous sacrifiez.
the refuse of your son of feast that
Et
you
on
offer,
vous emportera avec eux.
and one you will take away
Alors,
with you.
l'Éternel te dit, viens sacrifice soit bon moi là.
In other words, the Lord says,
Sans
sacrifice your without
sans
fear,
égard,
without
sans respect, pour
respect,
ma
no
parole.
reverence
Ce
for my
sont
word.
des excréments.
The
Elle dit, ma
feces.
foi excrément ça.
He says, I'm going to spew them out into your face.
Eh bien, c'est excrément ça.
Now, those are the refuse.
Étant donné que Josué,
Now, consider that Joshua,
c'était le souverain
that he was
sacrificateur.
the high priest.
C'est excrément ça, yo,
Those are the feces
qui vient trouver un vêtement pour Josué.
that became the garment that Joshua was wearing
Là, elle paraît devant l'Éternel.
when he appeared before